In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to refresh your Microsoft Outlook email folders seamlessly. Whether you're troubleshooting syncing issues or just want to make sure you have the latest emails, this quick guide will show you how to refresh all your folders in Outlook with ease. So let's dive right in. First, you'll need to access Microsoft Outlook on your computer. This is the first step because everything we're doing today will take place within the program itself. Make sure you're logged into your account so that you can follow along without any interruptions. If Outlook isn't installed on your computer, or if you haven't set it up yet, you'll want to do that first. Once you've opened Outlook, direct your attention to the top of the window. Here you'll find several tabs in what's called the ribbon. This is where you'll find the options we're going to use today. Move over to the Send Receive tab. This tab controls all the actions related to sending and receiving emails, making it crucial for what we're doing today. Now within that Send/Receive tab, you should see a button labeled Send Receive All Folders. This is our main focus today. Go ahead and click on that button. By doing so, you command Outlook to refresh all of your email folders, ensuring that any new messages, updates, or changes are captured and displayed properly. You'll notice that Outlook begins to automatically start the refresh process as soon as you click, so there's no need for any additional steps in this part. While it might seem pretty straightforward, remember that clicking Send/Receive All Folders is a handy trick to know. It can solve a surprising number of problems. Sometimes sync issues or network glitches can prevent Outlook from automatically updating your emails. In those instances, this manual refresh becomes particularly useful. It's a quick way to verify that you're working with the most current information and that nothing has been missed. And just like that, you're done. Your Microsoft Outlook is now refreshed and all your email folders are up to date. It's a simple process, but an effective tool to have in your digital toolbox, especially if you rely on Outlook for your communications. To wrap things up, refreshing your email folders in Outlook can be incredibly beneficial, particularly if you're dealing with connectivity issues or syncing challenges. It's a great habit to get into, especially at the beginning of your workday or in situations where you expect important updates. If you ever feel like your emails aren't up to date, just revisit these steps. Thank you for joining me today, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more handy tech tips.